Laundry baskets come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common: they make laundry much easier. Whether washing clothes by hand or machine, a laundry basket ensures that your clothes stay together throughout the process. That way, you don't have to worry about losing a sock in the wash or having your shirt end up in the dryer. This video has compiled a list of the top-rated, the 5 best laundry baskets available in the market today. We considered many factors, including features, quality, and value, to narrow down our final picks for the best available. Number 5. Simplehouseware Double Laundry Hamper. The Simplehouseware Double Laundry Hamper features a lid to hide the sight and smell of soiled clothes and linens. It features 2 bins, each with its bag, for sorting laundry, and measures 23 by 13 points, 75 by 22.75 inches, a size that can fit inside most closets to keep it out of the way. Smaller hampers fill up faster and nudge you to do laundry more regularly, which helps minimize mildew risk. The hamper is made of polypropylene, which isn't as strict and rigid as some other plastics. If you've got little ones, don't allow them to climb on it. It's lightweight enough to move to and from the laundry room easily. However, since the bags are removable, you may opt to have the hamper stay put and tote the bags to the machine on laundry day. Number 4. Dokum 90L Large Laundry Basket. A large capacity, quality laundry basket needn't cost much. The value price. Bag-style Dokum 82L Large Laundry Basket has aluminum handles that hold up well when the basket is full. Soft grip handle pads make carrying easier and comfortably distribute the weight in your hands. The bag is 15 by 15 by 28 inches and is made of double-layer 600D Oxford fabric, giving it the strength to stand up on its own, even when empty. If you'd instead not leave it standing when empty, the bag is collapsible. Fold it up and tuck it away in a drawer or closet. A polyethylene liner coating lines the bag's interior, making it waterproof, moisture-proof, and dust-proof. However, machine washing can deteriorate the lining, so this bag is hand wash only. Number 3. Simplehouseware Heavy-Duty 3-Bag Laundry Sorter Cart. If your household produces many different types of laundry, the Simplehouseware Heavy-Duty 3-Bag Laundry Sorter Cart may help you sort things out quickly. It's organized into 3 heavy-duty fabric compartments, each capable of holding 13 gallons of clothes. This lets you sort laundry as it gets dirty and then dump the contents of each bag into the washer when full, rather than sorting through a large pile of soiled clothes. Caster wheels screwed into the car make for a smooth and easy trip to the laundry room, and brakes prevent a road getaway. The cart's frame is steel with a silver finish, and the individual baskets can be unhooked and carried to the washing machine if desired. The bags are not machine washable. Using liners will keep the bags clean between hand washes. And note that you'll need a dedicated area for this cart, as the frame is 30 by 17.5 by 33 inches. Number 2. Goodpick Large Cotton Rope Basket. As a realistic option, the Goodpick Large Cotton Rope Basket is worth considering. It has a simple yet elegant round shape, measuring 15 points, 8 by 15 points, 8 by 13.8 inches. The basket is lightweight and tightly woven for structural integrity, and its handles and openings in the rope coils are soft to grip and easy to hold. The basket's neutral color and multi-use design make it a versatile choice for laundry or other duties. It works in a kid's room, for yoga gear, as storage for clean blankets, and more. The 100% cotton material won't snag clothing or scratch floors. It's environmentally friendly and adds a subtle touch of decor to a room. Although cotton is a breathable material, a basket liner will help the basket stay fresh between machine washes on a delicate cycle. Number 1. Honey Can Do Hampe 2108 Laundry Hamper. The slim, straightforward design of the Honey Can Do Hampe 2108 steel canvas rolling hamper makes it a good choice for many households, especially if you prefer model on wheels. Measuring 19.75 by 17.75 by 25 inches, this basket holds at least 2 large loads of laundry. It has a sturdy, easy-to-clean steel frame with a chrome finish, and it's lined with a natural canvas bag that's washable and breathable to keep your laundry and basket clean. The canvas bag can be tied with its drawstring if desired, and although it's called a hamper, this model has no lid. Caster rolling wheels are screwed in, making it easy and smooth to push, and it won't scuff your floors. Though the wheel basket is intended to save you from having to carry it, The frame has handles so you can pick it up if necessary. I hope you liked this video and that this information and options helped you know and select the right for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.